What do you know about this corner of the world? The people, the culture, the food they eat, the clothes they wear. How do they talk? What do they talk about? What do their houses look like? What do their roads look like? It's all pretty basic, isn't it? But I know some things that one can only experience. And I can tell you all about what it is like to wake up in the land of the rising sun. What it is like walking through a valley at dusk. The tea gardens, the folklore, stories of men who once walked the land. It's all there. Driving along the curvy bends, standing on the edge and feeling alive. I have laughed with the monks and found peace in the places they pray. It is more colorful than any other part of India. Just come here and explore. Planned or stray. So tell me, what do you know about this corner of the world?